What's up, everybody? So I'm going to be replacing an orifice tube on a 99 F-150 5.4 liter. The AC is not working. It's blowing hot air, and when I hooked up the little canister, I don't have all the sweet gadgets and stuff to check the pressure and stuff. But anyway, so I hooked it up to the low side, the little charge nozzle, and it had good pressure in it. It was like close to 40 psi around that, but so it's good. But so I took the truck, had the refrigerant drain and everything. So now I'm about to unhook the line, and I will admit this is my first time ever replacing an orifice tube. So this is my first time ever. I did some research online, and it is on this second line down here. Not this one, but the one below it is from what I gathered. So I'm gonna unhook that line, and the orifice tube should be laid up in this line right there on the bottom. So I'm gonna get the tools I need, unhook it, and then from what my understanding is that the orifice tube is completely in that line, and you gotta get like a pair of needle nose pliers and like pull it out stuff. But I'm gonna go from there, replace it, and then refill it with my one can that I have. I hope I have enough, but I'm gonna charge it and then see if it blows cold. But I'm almost certain that's was the root cause of the problem for the AC not blowing cold, because the accumulator, there's no condensation on the accumulator. And so from what my understanding is that the orifice tube, if it's clogged up or dirty, it restricts the flow of refrigerant through the line. So I'm going to replace this and then see what comes of it. All right, everybody, so I got the orifice tube pulled out. This is the way it pulls out. The white screen goes in, but this is the old one, and it does look pretty nasty. So I'm hoping this is the root cause of the AC, and that's what the new one should look like. So there's a comparison of the old versus the new. See how much cleaner the new one is? Yeah. But here's the tube. So I had to get needle nose pliers to literally pull it out. So that's the tube. So hopefully this is the root cause. This is the reason why the AC was not blowing cold. So I'm gonna put the new one in and just cross my fingers and hope for a miracle. All right, so the new orifice tube is in. That's about the best shot I can get it. The white screen goes in first, and got to push it in pretty deep. But there's the blue tip part of it, and it is in there, and it goes below this line like I said. And then check the O-ring out, the green O-ring, make sure it's good. Rule of thumb, replace it anyway. I just don't have one on me. So, but anyway, so we're gonna pop this back on. I'm gonna charge it with Freon and see how it does. So I got the new orifice tube installed right there on this line. It seats in there, and I got the canister hooked up to the low side. So now I'm about to crank it up, and let's start charging it. You want to crank your vehicle up, have your AC on full max, shake it every now and then. also checking to make sure the AC compressor is engaging. The AC compressor is not engaging. Alright, so the AC compressor was engaging before, but now it's not engaging after replacing the orifice tube. So that might have been the initial thing altogether. So we're going to have to further diagnose this. I'm almost certain it's the AC compressor. It's not even kicking on, so that will be the main cause. But let's go check it out some more.